Hey guys, here I have an electric motor car building kit. The science kits offer endless hours of fun for your young engineers. Here you have 3 bags that are labeled. You can also download an app to give you instructions and other 8 different models that you can build, because this one kit offers 8 different models. This is a great time to spend time with your kids, and they will spend hours of time building different models of cars. Doing scientific experiments together is a great way for parents and children to strengthen their bond. This kit is designed for ages 8 to 12. Encourage your children to build their own robots and enjoy DIY science activities. Playing with these electric robots can inspire your kids' curiosity and interest in physics, showing them how much fun it is to create their own robots. It comes in 240 pieces, a really great material, high quality ABS material. We have a power button here. This one is for driving forward and the 2 is for reverse. And here is one of the models. You do need 2 AA batteries. So this is one set and you can make 8 different models. You can download the app and it shows you how to make different models. You get instruction book for this model. Everything else is on the app. This is a great gift, great motor skills. Definitely get one of these. And it also comes with this organizing box, which is great to store all the Lego pieces.